Do you have any fresh sourdough bread today? Yes, I just took it out of the oven. What's your favorite bread here? Definitely the baguettes. They're perfect. I've been looking for something simple tonight. Simple food is usually what the body asks for first. It still feels warm. That means it was really just baked, right? Yes, bread tells the truth with warmth. Do you have any fresh sourdough bread today? Yes, I just took it out of the oven. That looks perfect. I'll take one. It still feels warm. That really just baked, right? Here, try this fresh loaf. It looks delicious. Thank you. This smells incredible. I know, right? Fresh from the oven. I'll be back again. I'll have another loaf waiting. Then I'm all set for dinner. Enjoy it, Sophia. I will. Good morning, Eleni. Good morning. Thank you for choosing it. Thank you for taking such care with it. Thank you for choosing it. This bread smells amazing. I know, right? And the texture is perfect. Thank you for taking such care with it. Thank you for choosing it. It must be satisfying, seeing people happy. Bread carries comfort. People feel it even before they taste it. I can already tell this will be good. Then it has done half its job.